Hi, welcome back. We're on lesson 8 of the series, and today we're going to talk about our hop. Hop, it's just like skipping when you're a little kid, right? Pick up one foot, hop, 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 hop. But when we have a tap shoe on, that hop makes a sound, doesn't it? That's our musical instrument. So we're going to stay on the ball of our foot and hop. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. It's all the same foot. We're going to keep this knee nice and bent, just like we've been bent in our tap classes. 5, 6, 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nice and fast. Second side. Up on the toe. Plie. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we're going to add on today, shuffle, hop, step. You know how to shuffle and you know how to step, right? Step. Step and step and step, just like the Saints go marching in. Okay, so we step. Shuffle, hop, step. Let's break it down. One foot lifted, shuffle. This foot is already lifted. Now we hop and then we step. Shuffle, hop, 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 step. Great. Now, of course, we want to put it together, and we're going to take away some of my words. We're going to go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Every single time it changes feet, not on the hop. We want to make sure we don't do this. Then we'll end up on the right foot again, which is something, but not what we're doing today. So that hop, we have to keep this leg lifted and have a nice, strong supporting leg. So here we go. 4 shuffle, hop, steps. Lift those arms, soft knees, a 5, 6, one foot is ready to go. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. There's our shuffle, hop, step. If you need to take it a little bit slower, let's do that. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We're going to do it one more time for my speedy people out there. Faster. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3. And there it is. Our shuffle, hop, step. See you guys next week. Mwah. Thanks for joining me.